Good morning. It's been all winter without a video, but here we are on a beautiful March weekend. I'm in Farnborough, and to enjoy the lovely weekend I'm going to do the North Downs Way, overnighter, 217 kilometres. I'm going to try and do about 120 today and have a shorter day tomorrow. The only thing that's left to figure out really is where to stay tonight. Got my tent with me. Yeah, we'll see. I'm on the full sus because my bikepacking bike is in the shop for repairs. It needs a whole new drivetrain, so it's going to be an expensive one. So we'll see how it is bikepacking on a full sus. Maybe it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm just cycling to the beginning of the route. We'll pick things up there. So, North Downs Way. Ridden a lot of it around the South London area, of course, but never done the whole thing back to back. I've done London to Dover. That followed a lot of the Pilgrim's Way. So I thought, why not? It's only a short train journey to the start, so let's kick off the year with a nice simple overnighter and build from there. Feels like we're on the Pilgrim's Way already. There's still a long way to go before we get there, I think. So we're going to be coming into the classic Surrey Hills area pretty soon. We've got to dip into Guildford and back out again. I know Surrey Hills quite well. That's where I usually take this bike, being the mecca for mountain biking in the south of England. But yeah, honestly, I think those days are past me. I much prefer longer exploratory rides than shredding down the side of hills. Don't get me wrong, it's fun, but yeah, biking for me is all about exploring new places. So first boggy hiker bike. It hasn't been that bad. Like, it's been really warm the last 2 weeks, so a lot of the mud is kind of, it's not hard yet, but it's not, you know, slimy and wet. But there's just one section there of like 3 huge puddles back to back, so feet didn't get wet, so it's all good. No idea where we are. All I know is that heading towards Guildford, and we're not there yet. Oh, I'm almost 40k in. I'm absolutely done. I knew the North Downs way, if you start at Farnham, it kind of front loads a lot of the hills. Oh, so I'm really feeling it. I wasn't feeling particularly good last night, so I wonder if that's a factor as well. I think what I'm going to do is carry on. When I get to the South London area, I'll see if I want to continue or not. Depends how I feel. We'll see. Yeah, this is more like it. Just gone past the Guildford Discovery Centre. I don't know what it is. It's got a great view though. Hey. I'm feeling a bit better now, so we'll see. Definitely not feeling 100%. Alright, cafe stop done. Scoffed my face. Let's see if that helps. I am feeling a bit better. I think it's just my legs weren't ready for the pummeling they've had over the last 35-40k, but I think they're waking up now. Looks like a bit of a road slog, and I don't know, I thought we'd go down into the Guildford Valley and up the other side, but that hasn't really happened yet, so I'm not sure what the route is. I'm a bit confused, but I'm looking forward to the part after Guildford, because that's a really nice trek along the ridge over. You get a really nice view of like Reigate and all those towns and cities down in the valley, so looking forward to that. Let's see. Going through some classic Surrey Hills pine right now. Always, this might just be a me thing, but whenever I'm cycling or walking through a pine forest, almost feels like I'm on another continent. Maybe it's because where I've grown up, there just haven't been any, so there's always felt like this otherworldly tropical thing, even though they're quite common in the UK. So yeah, it's always a pleasure to cycle through these things. Look at this. I still have no idea where I am. I don't even know if I've hit Guildford yet. At the Denby's wine estate. I can't remember if this was before or after Guildford. Yeah, quite nice. Let's carry on. I hope I'm not having to climb up that. It's a fucking cliff. It's beautiful around here though. Box Hill. I tell you what, it's a lot more fun going down than it is going up. That zigzag is a great fun no matter what bike you're on, but I didn't fancy cycling up it, so I'm going to do the hiker bike, and I'm going to stop and check out that incredible view at the top.
Right, go on then, Ray, find us a good spot. See where you want to go sit.
That's quite a view. Alright, so I have decided to bail. I got to Box Hill, I looked at how much mileage I'd done for the day and the time. I'd done 53 kilometres and it was coming up to 4 o'clock. So I hadn't even made it halfway for what I wanted to do for the entire day. So yeah, something was definitely not right. I don't know, maybe it's partly the bike, maybe it's partly not feeling 100%. I don't know, like the bike just feels really heavy as soon as I have to go up a hill. It just feels like I'm trying to push a steam train. It doesn't normally feel like that, so I think maybe I'm coming down with a cold or something. But I've just plotted a route back home, so 32 more kilometres direct to Bromley. But it's been a beautiful day for it. I'm not really that upset about not finishing the plan. Got outside. I'm in danger of getting a bit tanned maybe. It's been really bright today. So yeah, now I'm just coming out of Box Hill. Just told my Garmin to get me home in as straight a line as possible. So gonna trust it to see what's going on. Looks like we're still going to get that view of Reigate though. I think it's Reigate over there. I'm still following the North Downs Way for now. I'll turn off at some point and it's routed me back through Croydon, so fun times ahead. Oh, what a beautiful day. Like this winter, last winter was awful. I think I moaned about that in plenty of videos, but this winter hasn't been so bad. It's been relatively mild. And I've managed to do a lot of riding on my gravel bike. Just staying away from the really boggy, horrible stuff. So, I'm in good spirits for this year. I just don't know what happened today. Misfire. Body is just not having it. But there will be plenty more. For now, you can just enjoy the view, I guess. Yeah, that never gets old. What an incredible view. Time for some more food and then the journey home. I'm at Wallingham, descending back down into southeast London. Oh, what a day. Yeah, the route I plotted home actually kept taking me along the North Downs Way until here. I thought I'd accidentally put back in the full North Downs Way route. I had to check. Oh, I thought I was a lot closer to home than I was. So still a bit of a slog to go, but it should be trending downhill now, which I'm very happy about. As you can see, the sun has just about gone down. It's like 6:30. Yeah, I was very ambitious wanting to do 120k to do it today. I think I managed about 65 or 70. But hey ho, now I'm just dreading the Wallingham golf course climb to get out, which I'm pretty sure it's routed me down. So that's going to be fun. There was a giant tree down across it the last time I came down there. It's probably still there. So we got an obstacle course and an uphill. Fun times. Oh, it just got really cold. Yeah, there's a bitter wind. Anyway, I think I'm going to sign off because I'm on the home stretch now and things are going to get very dull from now on because it's going to be just following a bunch of roads. But thanks for watching. There's probably a bunch of other videos and stuff popping up on the screen about now. Click on them if you want, maybe subscribe. I swear some of my bikepacking trips are more successful than this one. But I like to keep it real. If I fail, then I fail. The last big one I did last year, I failed. But I think people still enjoyed watching it. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. Have a lovely weekend. And I don't know when the next video will be. Maybe next weekend I'll go on another big ride and finish it this time. Alright, bye bye.